This is my iMethod Beauty Eyebrow Stencil Kit. So this is a fast, easy way to get super symmetrical brows. You basically go through all these stencils and find which one will fit best to your natural arc or the desired shape that you want to go with your brows. So I tried out a few of them here until I found my perfect fit. This one looked like an excellent fit. So then I take the product. It does come with this little spoolie and edge brush that you can either apply right directly onto the stencil itself, or you can take that little brush and fill it in more precisely that way as well. So here's just using the stencil itself. You can see it leaves a little bit of dye marks on the stencil itself, but nothing came through. So very much still a clean line and nothing kind of leaking or bleeding through there. So that was a great test to make sure that it still ends up clean. You can see I'm doing the other side now. You basically just flip the card over. You don't have to open up a separate one or find a new one. You can get multiple uses out of those cards as well. So you can see a really beautiful shape. I love the color of this one too. That is in their dark brown. This one too is a super waterproof, smudge-proof material as far as the product goes. So really appreciate that if you're going for a swim or in the summer. So you can see it is super symmetrical. My brows are matching. You can take the spoolie end to just kind of comb them out when you're finished up to get the optimal shade that you're looking through for. I like to bring it especially combed through the front piece of my brows. And then if you need to correct any areas, you can take that little edge brush and just fill in as needed. But really a great way to have them be exact looking if you have a hard time matching up your brows to one another. Highly recommend this product. They've got a great color selection too to choose exactly what works best for your skin or brow tone. Definitely check it out.